Imagine designing the machines that move the world from electric vehicles to spacecraft. Welcome to Mechanical Engineering. Hello everyone, greetings from Sri Siddhartha School of Engineering, Tumkur. I am Dr. Manjunath Gowda, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department. Mechanical engineering forms the backbone of innovation in industries from robotics to renewable energy, aerospace to automotive. As technology evolves, there is a great demand for mechanical engineering with strong fundamental and hands-on skills that continues to grow. We Sri Siddhartha provide a robust academic foundation, cutting-edge labs, practical training aligned with industry standards. Our graduates are shaping the future in top companies and pursuing the advanced studies across the globe. At Sri Siddhartha School of Engineering, we are not just learning about machines, we are building the future with them. Join us and become the driving